Out here again today. I'm chasing snapper. So far I haven't seen any snapper, but I did see a shark. It was a big one too, and I was foolish enough to pedal up to it. I saw some birds in the distance, I pedaled over to them, then I saw the shark, a big black mass just bobbing around in the water, and I foolishly pedaled straight up to it to get a bit of a look, and it took a lot of notice in the boat. It did start harassing me. It nudged the kayak a couple of times, it followed the rudder. I thought it was going to take a fair old chunk out of it. It didn't, but it followed me for a while. It got pretty close and it was harrowing, I must admit. That was a little bit scarier than I thought it was going to be. Anyway, after all these trips at sea, it's finally happened. There you go, harassed by a shark. I think it was a white. I'm not sure, I'm not good on my species, but it looked like a great white to me. It was only a few hundred meters over that way when it happened, about 10 minutes ago. I'm out here at the moment just drifting a bait. I don't think it's followed me over here. I've got my eyes peeled though, we'll see what happens. There's a shark right in front of me. Pretty big. What kind it is. It's a great white. Don't know where it's gone. It's around here somewhere. Great one. Nice one. Just lost a great fish. Another one. Ah! Shark attacks, lost fish. It's just